Hi, I want to show you how to adjust app icons color on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, start by going in Settings and find Wallpaper and Style section. Now from Lock Screen, tap on the Home screen. And if you want to change color, then you will need to turn on themed icons just by tapping on the switch. After that, you should see this preview of icons color right here. So to change icons color, you can also change theme, and color of icons will adjust depending on the theme you selected. You can also tap on three dots and check more detailed information. You can choose theme from wallpaper colors, like that, or you can tap on other colors and manually set one color or two colors from the list. And this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.